Hi there, my name's Simon and welcome to a very cold episode of the Maserati Guy. I'm here in the CL500, taking it to have the valve blocks reconditioned at Auto Active in Artarmon. As you can see, it's fairly a lot of condensation on the windscreen today. So I'll be taking this over today. I don't know how long it's going to take. They're obviously going to take the valve blocks out. They're going to replace all the O-rings and seals and all the other replaceable parts. Hopefully get it back to me probably tomorrow, I should imagine, or Wednesday. Yeah, looking forward to getting the CL500 fixed. Been standing quite a long time with this problem, and although it drives okay, and you know, as long as you don't leave it for more than a few days, it's okay. But if you leave it more than a week, it will sag down, and just want to get it fixed. So let's go. Nice to see a bit of rain in Sydney. First time in quite a few weeks. Somebody actually told me these wipers were actually automatic, even though it doesn't say so on the control. They are actually automatic rain sensing wipers. So, ooh. So if you want to remind yourself how the ABC system works, I'll put a link up the top here to a previous video where we had the hydraulic fluid flushed and the filter replaced. That has a basic introduction to how it works. But I'm just going to show you some photos that Auto Active took while they were carrying out the service. It shows the valve block removed from the car, and then the various valves and solenoids actually disassembled, and you can see the O-rings that are perished from the original valves, and how they've been replaced with the new O-rings. So here we are looking at the CL500, having had the valve blocks reconditioned. As you can see, it's sitting pretty good. I think it might just be sagging a little bit on this side. No, it's looking pretty good. Look at that. Yep, all fixed. That's fantastic. So I was reading an article on the web, which I'll link to below, which was very useful because it gave a whole lot of diagnostic information about the ABC system, symptoms and possible solutions to various issues. One of the things it did say, which was interesting, was that it thought that some degree of sagging when the car's left for a few weeks is actually normal. He didn't provide any source for that statement, so I can't back it up, but I mean, that would make sense. I mean, it's a very highly pressurized system, and doesn't take much for that pressure to leak at some point in a closed system. So look, I'm pretty happy with what's been done to the car now. I think that I won't be doing any more on the ABC suspension at this stage. It's perfectly serviceable. I know that all the parts have been replaced, the valves have all been reconditioned, the filter's been replaced, the fluid is fresh, so it's basically doing, I've done as much as I can to put it into its best possible condition. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give the like a click, don't forget to subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at Maserati Guy 2017, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.